Welcome to my channel Phi Concepts CHM. This is the sixth part of the series of behavior of real gases. Here we will see the Boyle's temperature from the van der Waals equation, the merits and the demerits of van der Waals equation. Boyle temperature from van der Waals equation. We'll write down the van der Waals equation. P plus A by V square into V minus B is equal to RT. We'll take this V minus B here on the other side. So that will be RT upon V minus B, and this A by V square also will take on the other side, so that will be minus A by V square. Multiply this equation throughout by V, so we get PV is equal to RTV upon V minus B minus A by V. Equation 1. Now at the Boyle's temperature we will write down the temperature as TB. We'll write down the perfect gas equation. PV is equal to RTB. This is at the Boyle temperature TB. Equation 2. Same way, equation 1 will write at Boyle's temperature. Instead of T, we are substituting TB. Equation 3. Now we will equate both the equations 2 and 3. As you can see, the LHS is the same. So RTB is equal to RTBV upon V minus B minus A by V. We can take A by V on the other side and RTB on the other side. So we get A by V is equal to RTBV upon V minus B minus RTB. We can take RTB common, so in the bracket we get V upon V minus B minus 1. Cross multiply this, so that will be V minus V plus B upon V minus B. V will get cancelled out, so we get A by V is equal to RTB into B upon V minus B. Rearrange the equation to get TB. So A by V into V minus B upon BR. Now B is very small compared to the volume V, so it can be neglected. So we get this BV is neglected, so VV will get cancelled out. So we get A upon BR. Now the critical temperature is given by 8A upon 27 BR. This A by BR can be substituted as TB, and rearranging the equation we get TB is equal to 27 upon 8 into TC. So this is the relation between the Boyle temperature and the critical temperature. Merits and demerits of van der Waals equation. Van der Waals equation has been very useful in understanding the properties of gases, evaluation of critical constants, the deviation of the equation of corresponding states, the continuity of gaseous to liquid state. Demerits. We have seen that for carbon dioxide, the curve drawn from van der Waals equation do not coincide with the experimental curves of the Andrews. Marked discrepancy is observed for isothermal below the critical one, where van der Waals curves gives one maxima and one minima. Then the values of constants, the van der Waals constants A and B obtained by different methods differ considerably. Although van der Waals theory assumes them to be constant, the value of A is found to depend on temperature. We had got Vc is equal to 3B, but it is found to depend on the nature of the gas. Experimentally, we get Vc is equal to 2B. The theoretical value of the critical coefficient RTC upon PCVC is 2.667 for all the gases. However, it varies from gas to gas with an average value of 3.7 for most of the gases. Thank you for watching this video.